There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at these 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye in F8 green. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, performance hood scoop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, rear one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, SRT performance pages, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5919.